But what the heck really is loop engineering? In the simplest term, the AI agent which performs the loop has certain criteria that it looks for, and it will loop and iterate, and if those criteria are met, it will finish that loop. One problem that I envision with the loop engineering that most of us completely forget about is the fact that LLMs have a certain context window. And when we perform such loops, that context gets built up and the LLM starts to drift and potentially not even do the job that it was looking for. This is why there's certain approaches to fixing this is creating a context. And I think that anyone who is wanting to get into loop engineering needs to keep in mind certain things which I think are really important. And first of all, you need to make sure that you remind the LLM of its task. And another problem that I see is that imagine a loop which is just continues on and on. You have to make sure that in the loop engineering setup, you have a stop condition, which are really important so that way your loop engineering LLM doesn't just continues running over and over and over without any kind of conditions to stop. So 3 things that I think are really important that anyone who is looking into this type of approach of developing needs to look into are conditions that make sure that the LLM stops, succeed, or even fail, a context in which LLM is reminded what it needs to be doing so it doesn't drift away, and error recovery.